So students, you see here, displacement is equal to x2 minus x1 meter. x2 is final position of the object, x1 is initial position of the object. You can take any variables, no problem in this, and there is no boundation. So let's just I am showing you how we have taken x2 and x1, that is different position of the object. So you see here, if simply I am taking one figure just to see, a object moving from A gone to position B and then again comes to position C. How we will calculate the distance and how we will calculate the displacement? For this case, first case, what will be the total distance? Total distance is equal to AB plus BC. What will be the total displacement? I have told you, एकदम ध्यान रखना है कि इनिशियल पोजीशन क्या होगा और फाइनल पोजीशन क्या होगा. So be careful with both this position. Our initial position is A and final position is C. A and C. तो डिस्प्लेसमेंट हमेशा शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस बिटवीन इनिशियल पोजीशन टू फाइनल पोजीशन. तो ए और सी के बीच में शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस क्या हो सकता है? सो इफ यू डायरेक्टली ज्वाइन द लाइन ए टू सी, वी विल गेट पोजीशन ए, वी विल गेट पोजीशन सी. दोनों पोजीशन हमें मिल गया है. वी हैव गॉट बोथ द पोजीशन इनिशियल एंड फाइनल. सो वी कैन राइट total displacement or displacement is equal to directly AC. I think you have got a little bit for this. Again, one more figure I am showing you. Suppose if the body is moving A to B and then again B to C and from C to D. अगर कोई बॉडी ऐसे मूव कर रहा है, then very easily, अगर if I'll see you that calculate the total distance, आप तो बहुत अच्छे से कर लेंगे इसको. Total distance is equal to start करेंगे initial से. We are starting from initial position. So initial position is A and final position is D. So we can write AB plus BC plus CD. This is our total distance covered or total length covered. But if we are going to find out displacement, again we have to take care that displacement is nothing but shortest distance from initial position to final position. Our initial position is A, फाइनल पोजीशन इज डी. इनके बीच का जो शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस होगा दैट विल बी डिस्प्लेसमेंट. तो अगर हम ऐसे ए टू डी से शॉर्टेस्ट डिस्टेंस डायरेक्ट कर दें, सो यू आर गेटिंग इनिशियल टू फाइनल AD. So displacement will be AD. So like this student, we are finding the shortest distance. Again, third figure, one more figure I am showing you. Suppose a body starts from A, gone up to B, A से B में गया, from B to C and from C to D, D में गया, and again the body has came in its initial position A, फिर वो A में आ गया. So again students, be careful, यही हमें बहुत ध्यान रखना है. इस केस में, थर्ड केस में, what will be the distance? Distance will be directly, now I think it has become easy, AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Total distance we have got. Then what will be the displacement in this case? Displacement, see, displacement is the shortest distance. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? From where to where? That is from initial position to final position. Initial position हमारा A ही है और final position भी हमारा A ही है. So that terms of x2 and x1, x2 minus x1. x2 is a as well as x1 is a minus a, that means body is coming in its own initial position. So displacement will be 0. So like this, students, with different object that is moving, different motions, we are calculating distance and displacement. Just I have not calculated, I have shown that how you will find shortest distance. Students, displacement is vector quantity. Vector quantity we have studied that it has magnitude as well as specific direction. So see, every cases we will find. For first case, if we are talking about displacement AC, it has specific direction. For second case, if we are talking about displacement that is from A to D, it has specific direction. For third case, both are at same position, so it has no specific direction. That means displacement have specific direction, and so this displacement comes in vector quantity. So let's see the calculation now. So students, see one numerical we are solving related to displacement. A boy moves a distance of 3 meter towards south. Then he turns and moves 4 meter towards east. So students, let me show you how the direction we are showing. If I can draw this, so in this you are knowing how to show the direction: east, west, north, south. Boy moves 3 meter towards south. That means boy is moving 3 meter towards south. Suppose up to here it is 3 meter south. And then he turns and moves towards east. East is this side. So he turns and moves towards east. यहाँ से मुड़ गया और ईस्ट की ओर कितना गया? 4 meter. So 4 meter. This is the question. What we have to do in this question? We have to calculate. What we have to calculate? Calculate first the total distance. So students, distance calculate करना तो I think अब आपको बहुत easy लग रहा होगा. So if I give this naming, that is O, A and B. So how you will calculate? OA plus AB, that is 4 plus 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, that is 7 meter. आराम से निकल गया हमारा. We have got the total distance. अब displacement. Now the second question will be if there is that calculate displacement. So if we are calculating this displacement, अब हम क्या करेंगे? Because displacement is vector quantity and we have to find out the shortest path, और shortest path का specific direction होता है. So and also we have to be careful for initial and final position. तो हम इसका क्या करेंगे? Now you see this, we have got this diagram. So to represent or to find out the shortest path, एक line, one perpendicular line we drop on this east one, O2 east, that is E, and then we find it the shortest path. इसका shortest path हम लोग कैसे निकालेंगे? Just see. अब देखिए, initial position क्या था? O. We have got the O starting from O, and final position what it was? B. So from O to B, we have just shown the shortest path from O to B, and this O to B is our displacement. So what just here I am writing, displacement is equal to OB, and how we will calculate this? You say this. Students, I think in your maths you have studied Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle को हम लोग कैसे Pythagoras theorem में निकालते हैं. So you use right angle triangle. What you have got, that is OAB, where OB is hypotenuse एंगल 90 डिग्री के अपोजिट हाइपोटेन्यूज होता है, तो वी हैव गॉट हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो इफ आई एम राइटिंग दिस वन एज डायरेक्टली ओ बी, दैट इज ओ बी इज इक्वल टू, अगर हम इसको लिखते हैं ओ बी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ओ ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी स्क्वायर. सो स्क्वायर हटाएंगे, व्हेन वी रिमूव स्क्वायर वी आर राइटिंग स्क्वायर रूट ओ ए स्क्वायर प्लस ए बी स्क्वायर. सो वी आर गेटिंग ओ ए क्या है 3, दैट मीन्स स्क्वायर रूट 3 स्क्वायर प्लस 4 स्क्वायर. So we are getting 9 plus 16, we are getting 25, that is 5 meter. So see, shortest distance have you got 5 meter. Distance से कम हुआ shortest distance, so shortcut naturally it is lesser than our distance. So like this we are calculating the displacement. Further I'll calculate, but now let's proceed towards what are the types, or you can say parts of the displacement. Distance can never be zero, क्योंकि अगर body move किया, if the body is changing its position, that means there is certain distance, but displacement may be negative, may be positive, or may be zero. So let's discuss, start one by one. So students, let's see, when do distance and displacement become equal? Very simple example अगर हम आपको दें, that you have started from Thana Mode, suppose it is point A, and just you have reached to Kids Garden KGSS. Your initial position is A and final position is KGSS, that means initial position is Thana Mode. पॉइंट ए को हम लोग कंसिडर कर ले रहे हैं थाना मोड़, एंड फाइनल पोजीशन इज किड्स गार्डन सेकेंडरी स्कूल, एंड इन बिटवीन दिस सपोज इट इज ऑफ 500 मीटर. In this case, what you will see, what is the total distance? Total distance is AB, that is A to KGSS. So we can write 500 meter. And displacement, now where we are finding shortest distance, A से लेके KGSS तक, थाना मोड़ से लेके KGSS तक, there is no shortcut. So there is only one way. So if a body is traveling in a straight line, mostly what happens, that distance is equal to displacement. So A2. So here to displacement is also same thing from A to KGSS, and you have got same, that is 500 meter. So in some cases when body is traveling in straight line and its initial position and final position both are different, then in this case distance is equal to displacement. Distance is equal to displacement. Come for next. Next, what we will say, that when the body or when displacement is positive, because distance is always positive, when displacement is positive, displacement is positive. So students, here also you will see you have got displacement is positive. If we are discussing just like this, that both the bodies travel in a straight line, or another example I am giving you, suppose this is straight line. I think you know how to mark out in straight line, and this is original position O. A, suppose it is 5, B 10 meter, C 20 meter, sorry 15 meter, D 20 meter. Okay, and body is starting from O and reached up to D, and again came back and finally stopped at C. वंस अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ, बॉडी स्टार्ट हुआ ओ से, डी तक गया और फिर डी से टर्न बैक हुआ, इट्स टर्न बैक एंड स्टॉप्ड एट पोजीशन सी। तो हमारा इनिशियल पोजीशन कहाँ है, ओ, एंड फाइनल पोजीशन कहाँ है, सी। दिस इज फाइनल पोजीशन। इफ इन दिस केस आई एम सेइंग यू फाइंड द टोटल डिस्टेंस, तो आप टोटल डिस्टेंस कैसे कैलकुलेट करोगे, इट्स वेरी इजी। टोटल डिस्टेंस यू कैलकुलेट इट, सो हाउ यू आर गेटिंग, इनिशियल पोजीशन ओ टू डी प्लस डी टू सी। टोटल हो गया हमारा O to D 20 and D to C 20 minus 15, that is 5, so it is 25 meter. This is total distance. But again, if I say you calculate the displacement, in this case how will you calculate the displacement? So see here, displacement again from initial position to final position, और initial position से final position कहाँ तक गया, that is O to C. So ये हमारा होगा O to C, and so we can write it that 15 meter. So like this we are calculating. So see, this one is also positive, but distance is not equal to displacement. One more case we are having, when do the displacement becomes negative? When do displacement becomes negative? So see students here, in the second case we have studied like that. Suppose here it is -5. I have extended back x-axis. So suppose it is -5, -10, and this is point E. As the body start moving from initial position O, gone up to D, returns back and stop at position E. Second case you have understood. A body starts from position O, gone up to D, returns back and stopped at E. So what will be the final position now? Final position will be this one, that is E. So in this case what you will do? The distance and displacement. Distance here very easily you can calculate it. Distance we can calculate O to D plus D to O plus O to E. So you see, O to D 20 plus D to O again 20 plus O to E, it is 5, that means 20 plus 20 40, that is equal to 45 meter. But what will be the displacement in this case? How will you calculate displacement? Again students, be careful. Initial position and final position. Shortcut initial to final. Shortcut initial to final. Initial कहाँ है? O पे है. Final कहाँ है? E पे है. So displacement we have got OE. But what is the direction? आपको direction कहाँ मिल रहा है? This one is the negative direction. So it will be -5 meter. So students, displacement may be positive, may be negative, or may be 0. Today's use homework, write the difference between distance and displacement. Okay.